The next ones, we are multiplying numbers written in scientific notation. When I'm multiplying them, I'm multiplying the like parts together, so I'm going to multiply the numbers in front together, and then I'm going to multiply the base 10 numbers together, and when we multiply with the same base, we add our exponents. So I'm going to take the 3 times the 1.3, which would be 3.9, and then 10 to the 8th times 10 to the 6th, I'm adding my exponents, so I'm going to get 3.9 times 10 to the 14th power. Occasionally when you're multiplying in scientific notation, this value in front ends up being a number that's not between 1 and 10 anymore, and you do have to change your answer into scientific notation, so you'd have to move your decimal and adjust your exponent as needed. So number 8, if I'm going to do that one, 4.8 times 0.8 would give me 3.84 times 10 to the first power. Now normally you wouldn't put 10 to the first power, you just put times 10. On the ALEX program, sometimes it's a little goofy and it wants the exponent there, so stick it in there. Normally I would just put 3.84 times 10, but since they're doing scientific notation, I guess they want that there. Number 9, if you multiply that one out, 2.3 times 5.5. Yeah, if you want to use your calculator to do that, that is fine and dandy with me, because that's what I would do. Because I didn't have a calculator in my hand. 12.86 you said?
12.65.
12.65, man, I can't even hear. Times 10 to the -5. So this is one that I would have to convert into scientific notation, because 12.65 is not in scientific notation since I don't have a value between 1 and 10. If you're not sure of how to adjust your exponent, change it into standard form first and then put your answer back into scientific notation. If this is times 10 to the -5, I'm going to move my decimal back 5 places. So I'm going to have 0.0001265. Now if I move my decimal where it should be, I'm going to have 1.265 times 10 to the -4th, right? And so now my answer is in scientific notation.